What's happening with the YouTube? It's another motherfucking ratchet review. Got them packs in, dog. Packs in, packs motherfucking in. My first off, we try to hit that like button if you fuck with your boy. You don't, hit that dislike and get the fuck straight like that. Man, shout out to everybody that's fucking with your boy. Fuck you haters with a sick dick, no rubber. And shit, let's get into it. Man, feeling good out there, beat one more again, you know what I'm saying? Got that down. All that damn cold gone, man. That shit was pissing me off. You hear me? This thing right here, this shit on there. I don't know exactly what it is. I know I'm waiting on like, man, I got like about 20 motherfucking pounds nigga waiting on this bitch. I got to get it right and keep it right. Oh snap, yeah, there you go. I know what these is. I think this pair might be up for grabs. I do think this pair might be up for grabs. Nah, this one ain't up for grabs. Sound 11. Sound motherfucking 11. And blood out. That's them. You know what I'm saying? Them top three things. Them gold one, top three. Shit, I ain't got confused with the, what you call that jump? The damn. What those shits is? The shit that come out for the All-Star. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Shit, I ain't see the damn, I thought the site that down updated. I'm like, man, y'all done fuck the color, but now these bitches still in there like swim well good to motherfucking go. Y'all already seen the review on them, so shit, I ain't finna do nothing. Oh yeah, buddy, I had your shit shipped out to you. You hear me? That shit on the way. Trying not to fuck the shit up too bad. Alright, that's that. Next up, shit, you see like they trying to get off in that bitch before. You feel like they trying to get off in that bitch fucking, man. Hey, DHL been on that shady shit kind of lately, cuz. And the USPS, motherfucking post office. Motherfucking waiting on packs. You know what I'm saying? Like how some shit coming from Philly. Gonna take motherfucking 8 days, cuz I still don't understand that. Got me pissed off in that bitch. Anyway, like I said, next up, these things right here. Oh yeah, these are, I don't think I had a pair of these yet. You know what I'm saying? Like shit. But y'all see it's a Yeezy, so shit, you know, them bitches do bring that back. Size 12. Nope, these ain't up for grabs. I repeat, these are not up for grabs. That's them blue tint things. Got the little receipt and shit right there. You feel me? Now. And shit, there go the shoes. Blah. And blah. I will do a video on these. You hear me? Shit, what y'all think? Yeah, bang. Alright, last but not motherfucking least. Damn, well I feel the damn box, alright. Get your ass out of there. Bow. Y'all see another Yeezy, right? Matter of fact, these right here for cuz you want to give away. These you right here. These you right here. Blam. Matter of fact, they hit you up, get your shipping info. Had them coming out to you. Flat out. Like I said, hey, I appreciate everybody fucking with your boy. I appreciate everybody fucking with your boy. I appreciate everybody fucking with your boy. Man, I got more patch coming. More everything. Oh yeah, shit, I ain't even show you. Man, I got that milk and the titty tees on, that Valentine Jones. Damn, I'm knocking shit down, telling club up. But yeah, more shit coming. Like, comment, subscribe. Fuck with me.